Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work. And if you guys been having any type of problem with your carrier, in my case, I had a problem with T-Mobile. I had a brand new phone that's not even released yet, the Pixel 5a, and I had a little bit of some data issues. So just follow these steps. Hopefully it'll work for you. So let's start the video. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Pow. Alright guys, so you just had your new phone and you put the SIM card in there and it's not working. The data's not working, the phone works. Sometimes you could browse, but you can't send text messages, or you're having problems like that. So here are some quick and simple steps. I will try to run through a little bit fast. If you have to slow down the way I'm talking, just slow it down. Let's try to run through it as fast as we can. So first step is to restart the phone. Make sure that the SIM card is inserted correctly. Second thing, you need to make sure that your data is turned on. So when you drop down the screen, you got to make sure that your mobile data is turned on and not off. What you can also do is you hit the airplane mode on and off just to see if that works as well. But if that doesn't work, go into your settings, type into your settings, reset options, go over here, and you have to reset the Wi-Fi, the mobile, and the Bluetooth. And if that doesn't work, you got to talk to customer support and have them refresh your network connection. You have to let them do it from their side, and hopefully it'll work. If that doesn't work, you need a new SIM card. What they said in my case was that I didn't have an up-to-date SIM card with their new 5G towers, and that actually worked for this device, and I've had no type of problems at all. I'm seeing better speeds and everything. So if you have an iPhone, similar situation, you go to settings. Okay, so I already did that. So you go to settings, you got to go to reset iPhone, go to reset, and you got to go to reset network settings. And if that doesn't work, you got to do the same exact steps that I just said from last time. All right, you have to call them up and you have to tell them that they have to reset your network settings. And if that doesn't work, then you need a new SIM card. Don't panic. If you do it through the technical support, you could probably get that SIM card for free and have it overnighted to you from your carrier. But if you do go to a store, you might have to pay the SIM card price. I think it's like $20 or something like that. But I did actually get mine for free, and I've had no hiccups so far when it comes to the 5G network, when it comes to T-Mobile. So if you guys like this video, hit it with a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of the Apple iPhone and of the Google Pixel and the Android system. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.